So, hello everybody here in YouTube. My breaking news today on the 12th, Monday 12th of September 2011. And we have bad news. Explosion at French nuclear site at Marcoule. And I see here on my real life internet, one person has been killed and 4 injured, one seriously, by an explosion at the southern French nuclear site of Marcoule. It's near Avignon. And I have it here on GMX, German company. There were no radioactive leaks after the blast caused by a fire near a furnace in the Centraco radioactive waste storage site, officials said. It produces MOX fuel, which recycles plutonium from nuclear weapons but does not include reactors. This kind of so-called GAU near Avignon in a nuclear plant is the breaking news of today, and we are demanding shut down, close down every nuclear plant because it's poisoning our environment. Radioactivity kills. So that's the breaking news of today from Speed of Light here from Berlin. Thank you for